Anong ganap sa mundo ng showbiz? Nag-post ng kanyang topless photo si Nadine Lustre habang naliligo sa batis, bilang paggunita sa Earth Day nitong April 22. Sa Instagram account ni Nadine, ilang litrato ang ipinost nito kabilang ang larawan kung saan makikita itong nakatalikod. Walang pang itaas at naliligo sa batis. Today we celebrate Earth, but if you ask me, I think we should be celebrating her every day. Panimulang mensahe ni Nadine. Earth is amazing, and she deserves all our love and respect. I'm inviting everyone to invest in our planet by being mindful of the choices we make every day. Because each individual choice adds up as an investment for Earth. Aniya pa, marami tayong pwedeng ibigay kahit maliliit lamang na bagay para pangalagaan ang ating planeta. We can all contribute in our own humble ways. No act of love is too small for our planet. Mensahe pa ni Nadine. Thank you for reminding us always and thank you for setting us a very good example. Thank you for humbling us. Komento naman ng isang follower ni Nadine. Anong masasabi mo sa balitang ito?